Thank you for watching the Passengers United channel. Please feel free to like and subscribe. Good evening, everyone. This is Passengers United, and we are getting ready to head on the Brooklyn Bridge pathway, guys. So this is the way I know to go on it, but I think you can also come from that way as well. And this is it right here. This is where it starts. So, but there's also a way to cross the street from there. I didn't know this, guys. Oh, there is. Okay. So wow, so we're gonna go on the pathway, guys, tonight. I promised you all that we would do this, and we're gonna do this tonight. We're gonna walk the Brooklyn Bridge, guys. We did the Manhattan Bridge, a couple, I think 9/11, and we're gonna do the Brooklyn Bridge. And in case you guys want to know what time it is, let's look at the time. Let's look at these DOT trucks. So yeah, it's 11:37 p.m. Friday, September 23rd. And guys, it is very cold out here in New York City tonight. I think the temperature is, the last time I checked, I think it was 54 or 57. I might be off, guys. But we're gonna walk this bridge. We're gonna do this. And last Friday when I came on the bridge, it was packed. But they also had the Long Island Railroad cross honoring, guys, which I took full advantage of because of the J line shutdown. And as you can see, most of the vendors are gone now for the season. Wow. Yeah, they're gone. Look at all the dirt they left behind. They need to clean up this walkway, guys. Look at all the trash on the walkway. So that is the municipal building on that side. And then this is Pace University on this side. That's all Pace University over there. So we're gonna walk over the bridge to Brooklyn. Let's see how fast I can do this tonight, guys. And these are the vendors who sell stuff. Also, the vendors are here. But last Friday, it was busy on this bridge. You couldn't even walk. And tonight, because of the cold weather, it's empty. So the winds are picking up. It is, and I actually have my jacket on, guys. That's how cold it is. I don't know where this stairway goes, guys. Does anyone know? It says Chinatown. So one of these days we gotta see where this stairway goes, guys. But we'll just walk the bridge for now. And there's also a new bike path that was built on the Brooklyn Bridge, for those of you who don't know. And I don't see that many bikes using it. Maybe not right now. Oh, there we go. So these are the bikes. They use the pathway. There's one coming now in the distance. So there's always traffic on the bridge, guys. But this is a great way to have a nice walk and to get some exercise. And you see families on the bridge. You see a lot of people walking. It's a great way to see New York City. Although I wouldn't recommend coming on this bridge, you know, well, the Manhattan Bridge, I would not recommend walking at night, guys. When I did my 9/11 video, the Manhattan Bridge was empty. So the Brooklyn Bridge is pretty busy, and there's police at the other end of the bridge. So just walk with a group or walk with another person. That's my recommendation. So I'm just gonna be quiet and let y'all enjoy the scenery. And this building over here, this white building, used to be the New York Telephone Building. Looks like a lot of traffic coming Manhattan bound, guys. But yeah, these are all the big buildings over here. And in the distance you can see the Brooklyn Seaport as well. Now this is where we come on the wooden portion of the bridge, guys, where the wood is. Here we go. And in the distance over there you can see the Verrazano Bridge in the all the way there. It's beautiful lights over here. And on this side is the projects, I believe, on this side. I don't know what housing developments those are, guys. I forgot. There's the American flag on the top of the Brooklyn Bridge. And over on the, right on this side is the seaport, guys. Scenery look. That is the Freedom Tower in the distance over there, guys. That beautiful building. And the FDR is right below us. That is the FDR Drive on the highways over there. And not many people out tonight because of the cold weather, guys. Everyone was so excited about summer, and then summer ended, so hopefully we'll get some more warm days. And boy, look at the traffic on the FDR Drive, guys. Look at this traffic, bumper to bumper traffic, guys. Wow. So I think that's because of the UN General Assembly, maybe, or construction. I think it could be construction, guys. So they're always doing a lot of construction on this bridge. And that is a big problem. So I'm gonna try to walk a little faster, guys, so we can make up time. But this is the best part of the bridge, because you get to see the Verrazano in the distance over there. That is the Verrazano Bridge. Gotta watch out because there's people over here. And this is really the best part of the bridge over here in the middle. A lot of couples come over here, you know, for date nights and stuff. And look at this traffic, guys. Look at that. It is better to take the subway, guys, than to be stuck in that traffic. But what I like about the Manhattan Bridge is you can see on the water, but this is higher up, guys, so I feel like you get a better view on this bridge. Wow, look at those big suspenders. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see all this. And there's the Manhattan Bridge, which I walked on the night before 9/11, guys. And let's look at this view. I sit right there. Sorry if I'm going too fast with the camera, guys. Trying to get these views for you all. But the best way to experience this bridge is to walk it. It's a great way to walk, great place to visit. And we have a lot of tourists coming here, which is a good thing. You know, we need tourism. We need to bring our city back. So last Friday, this bridge was packed. There was a lot of people on the bridge because the weather was warmer, guys. Normally when the temperatures, you know, change during the day, there's a lot of people as well on the bridge. But I like coming on this bridge at night. I think it's a wonderful experience. You get to see the city skylights and just feel the pulse and the energy of the city. And when it's hot, like on a 90-degree day and the winds are coming at you on the top of the bridge, it's just a great experience. And that is the Manhattan Bridge in the distance over there. Let's just do a nice back shot here of our city. Look at that. And there's the Statue of Liberty in the background. Verrazano Bridge. And we keep walking. Oh, there's a subway train. Actually, there's two subway trains going over the Manhattan Bridge, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. Yeah, look at that. And you see the big welcome sign there? That means welcome to Brooklyn, with the red lights over there in the distance. And I know many of you were asking me to do more transit videos. Guys, I will be doing a lot more transit videos. I actually have a bunch of videos from 2 years ago which have not been uploaded yet, and so stay tuned for some exciting Acela videos for all our rail fans out there. And there's that big welcome sign I told you about earlier, guys. So now we're coming on the downhill pathway as we are now in Brooklyn. And they also have a big park underneath the bridge, guys. I'll show you this for a second. And traffic today is really congested here. Wow, both ways. So I think a lot of people are just trying to, you know, go in the city, eat, restaurants and bars, I guess. People just don't want to get on the subway. And look, bicycles. Bicycles are not supposed to be on the bridge, guys, but they still come on the bridge anyway. It's crazy. And he's going the wrong way on the bridge. So I don't know why the police are not enforcing that, because somebody could get hit by a bike. And they really need to enforce that. So there's a new bike lane which I showed you guys earlier where the bikes are supposed to go. And one thing on the Manhattan Bridge too, at least the bikes on the bridge, on the Manhattan Bridge, will stop for you. But for some reason that guy was going super fast. And there's a lot of families with kids on the bridge. Very dangerous situation, guys. So, but people don't follow the rules, and that's unfortunate. So this bridge, to my understanding, the walkway is open all year round. Would I suggest coming on this bridge in the winter time after a snowstorm? Probably not, guys, because it will get slippery here. There's wood, so that can be a problem. Right now I'm walking on wood, and when you walk you feel like the planks shaking, which is no good, guys. Look at this. So that's a problem. But when you come down this walkway, you feel really good. It's a nice walk. It's a great way to see our city. So there's the BQE. Look at the traffic on the Brooklyn-Queens Expressway. Wow, it's bumper to bumper, guys. Try to get you a good view of that if I can. And look at that, that is the Brooklyn-Queens Expressway. There is some bumper traffic going westbound towards Staten Island or towards Industry City over there, as you can see in the background. If you see it on this side, you see all the headlights. So it could be construction going on, guys, or it could just be people headed home all at the same time. So, but Brooklyn has really changed, guys. Brooklyn is really really changing. All these buildings in downtown Brooklyn, and you know, so hopefully next summer I'm gonna do some more walking tours of Brooklyn when the weather gets warmer, guys. This year I was so busy I couldn't really do much that I wanted to do, so that was an issue. But so there is a way, if you're going towards Flatbush Avenue, guys, and you're walking the bridge, there is a shortcut that I can recommend to all of you, and that is that stairway. I'm gonna briefly show it to you guys. It is right here. That's a stairway there, guys, towards the end of the bridge. And this is the way that goes to the subway, guys. So this is a shortcut. This is called Dumbo, Cadman Plaza, Brooklyn Heights. So we're gonna take this because my battery is about to run out on my GoPro, guys. So there are shortcuts over here that you can take, which is good. And the Manhattan Bridge is so close over here. So this is the shortcut to get to the subway. And I think this is where all the bikes are coming on the bridge. I don't know why they don't have a police post over here. Now look at the water here. So now we're about to go down. Let's see. They could improve the lighting over here, guys. But DOT runs this. This is run by Department of Transportation. This is their jurisdiction. Okay. So now we have to find out where the subway is. And there's no signs really telling you that. So I think the subway, if I'm right, is this way. I think the subway is this way, guys. So we're gonna go this way. So this is Brooklyn Heights, and this is where you find the subway. The last time I went the other side, but I'll just show you this side. And I believe the A train is over here. Oh, and I think that's a New York City Transit facility right over there, guys, across the street. Wow, isn't that a coincidence? I think that could be the emergency response units. Yes, that's probably the hydraulic area for New York City Transit. So the A train probably is not too far from here. They also have a park over here. Let's see where we are. Let's see. Red Cross Place. I've never come on this side before, guys. I've always gone on the other side. And I see they got everything closed off over here. So, let's see. Where is the A train? Is it on this side? Let's see. Probably is, guys. Because I see the buildings over here. So, I guess we'll just walk this way. Oh, these are the new things for the hybrid cars that they have. So the city is now getting all these electric vehicle chargers. Wow. So this is something good that the city is doing. Really proud to see the city stepping up and taking action, guys. And let's see where this pathway takes us. Alright, guys, so I think this video is going to end here. I see the subway station right here, which is good. And there's the bridge turning. Oh, beautiful. It takes me right to the subway. Love it. Right to the A train. So now we know where the subway is, guys, and where to find it. Let's hope this entrance is open. Have a feeling it's closed. Oh, it is closed. Oh, boy. You gotta be careful. Oh, it's open here. Okay. So guys, this is where the video is gonna end, and this is the Hoyt Street. I believe. What station is this? Let's see. Yeah, High Street. This is the High Street Brooklyn Bridge station for the A-line. So this is where this video is gonna end. I want to thank you all for joining, and thank you. Have a good night, guys. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share the channel out and let people know about us. Thank you, and have a good evening.